Millions are being told they could lose electricity for up to 10 days.
That's why we keep telling people that, you've got to plan ahead for these types of events.
As these waves continue to crash in this direction, you are right. There is an army headed from the other direction. It's an army of utility workers.
And you actually point to the aging power grid. What can you say about the state of the nation's infrastructure and the need to have sort of these off-the-grid solutions?
The sad truth is that America's electrical grid is obsolete, and we do not have enough money to put it underground where it belongs.
People were thinking back to Irene and saying, you know what, maybe this is climate change, maybe this is something environmental.
Mother Nature can leave many of us feeling powerless, literally.
One of the biggest worries ahead of this monster storm is the potential for massive power outages affecting millions of Americans in multiple states.
New Jersey's governor, declaring a state of emergency, warned residents they could be without power for a week to 10 days.
We now expect that a 1 in 100-year storm seems to happen one every year, and so you need some Generac.
Generators a must these days.
That Generac thing never wavered.
If you want the real one, the Mac Daddy, the one you hook up to the natural gas line, the one that never goes down, the one your lights are on and your neighbor's lights are off, the one that everyone's jealous.
We're all buying Generac.
I bought a Generac generator, had it installed 3 months ago. It kicked in as soon as the power went out.
And everywhere, generators are a hot commodity.
Looking at a generator, it's time to have some backup.
The Wisconsin-based company Generac shipped tens of thousands of generators to try to meet the growing demand.
Electricity, the lights, will they stay on for millions of Americans?
Generac is your company.
That was like a lifesaver.
It's probably the best investment I ever made.